Right, let's talk about marketing. Okay, we're not going to tell you what to do, we're actually going to show you how we do it. So let's get busy. Turn up, day two, okay? So now what we're going to do is talk about, obviously, the kind of content that you're going to capture. All of us can do this, all right? There's no excuses. So we get our phone and we think about what we're trying to do here. So obviously we're going to be promoting our business on socials, therefore we want our phone, okay, in portrait, not landscape. That said, if you want to now do educational videos for YouTube, obviously customers love that, and you want to do maybe a promotion on your website, we're now going to go landscape. So the idea here is, every time I'm on site, this is day two, first thing I do in the morning is come in and take loads of photos. I'm going to take loads of photos, obviously, this way. So I'm actually doing what I'm actually talking about. And I'm going to get different photos from different aspects. I'm going to stand over here to get the long shots. Then I'm going to get these kind of nice ones where the light's coming through. So again, maybe over here. I'm leaving things like, obviously, the tap. The tap is wrapped in tinfoil, which you've seen on some of the photos. And we want to make sure we get loads of photos. Then what we're going to do is we're going to talk about, obviously, getting some videos. So now what we're going to do, portrait again, we're going to kind of just get some starting shots, and we're just going to pan across really, really nicely all the way around and finish again with a little bit of a close-up. Do 2 or 3 of those, and you can use those as what we call B-rolls. That goes over the top of your videos and it'll look absolutely fantastic. Loads of photos, loads of B-roll, loads of video. Right, next thing we want to do is, we are all shit on video, all right? We just are, I'm telling you that now. So what we do is we take a video, but this time we're going to make sure that the camera's obviously facing that way. If you're good, you could start here, okay, if you're using an iPhone, because it's really hard to flip it at times, so you can start that and then move around. In this scenario, this is what we're going to do. As you can see, we are now at that design code stage. It looks absolutely fantastic. It's just got the right amount of color, texture, finish. The client absolutely loves it. So now we are at the stage where we're going to be adding the durable protective coating. This coating is coming in a matte finish today because we want that really nice, sleek, simple, contemporary look for this particular design of kitchen and household. We do other finishes, but for today it's matte. So let's get busy, let's work some magic. Do you see what I mean? Just do a little video whilst you're doing it. Another one we could do is talking about, obviously, the way we protect the home. There's loads of things that we want to be able to do. Just get creative. If you want, just reach out to us and we'll give you an idea of some kind of bullet point ideas and the way you would actually do the videos as a whole. Guys, there's no excuse why you're not taking videos and photos for every single job you do. We do, and that's why we're able to do this. So get busy.